This week we're talking all about our frappes. Frappe means struck, in which case there is traditionally a prep at the beginning. And I try to have my dancers think of a lightning bolt striking the ground. So we strike with the ball of our foot and we press away from us. And then our foot immediately flexes to return. Frappes can also be done with a pointed foot, in which case we go to our sur le coup de pied position, either in the front or wrapped, and we strike the top of our toe and brush that forward and pull it back in. Be sure to check back tomorrow as we talk about why our frappes are important and dive a little deeper into how they strengthen us. I will see you tomorrow.